we should let our president say a few official words of welcome to the team.
Yeah, I already got introduced to the team, not yet to all the coaches, the mentors, and the people that are helping the team. And first, I would like to thank you, Alan, for inviting me to join, and Mike for that. That's great, always great to see the Evolve program impact and see the great teams that are working together in a multidisciplinary team and also in a collaborative way in order to come up with a solution for a geological and a geophysical challenge. So that's great. Welcome again, and thank you for joining. This is great. I mean, I'm very excited about the Evolve program, and I think it's a fantastic experience for you, and having also these great mentors around you. I think that's a big part of that program. I really feel very happy from what I'm seeing from you, the future of the energy in moving forward, and with the program itself, with Alan and the rest of the mentors. I cannot thank enough the mentors. Mentors are here. They are giving their knowledge from their heart, without any it's you have to be this is the biggest thing that you can ever do. To be able to give your knowledge and participate and help others without thinking about what you're going to get in return. So serving others, and something that you need to learn even more than the technical part, how to have this type of uh, of of strength, that this is the ultimate goal, is to be a giving person with a great heart, like Mike and the rest of the team here, uh, the mentors. So I won't go into every single one of you guys in the mentorship, but I cannot thank you enough. I know how much you are giving your knowledge and experience, and making the future better for those young geoscientists and for the world. So thank you again, and best of luck for all of you.